Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put up a sliding closet door. First, gather all necessary tools and materials, including the door panels, track hardware, and a measuring tape. It is crucial to confirm the closet opening dimensions match your door kit specifications. This initial preparation saves time and prevents issues later. Having everything ready ensures a smooth and efficient installation process from start to finish, typically taking only a few hours. Before installing any hardware, carefully measure the closet opening's width and height in at least 3 places. This ensures accuracy and helps identify any inconsistencies. It is essential that the top and bottom surfaces are level and plumb. Use shims if necessary to achieve this. A level and square opening is critical for the doors to slide smoothly and operate correctly. Begin by installing the top track securely into the header, using screws at approximately 16-inch intervals. Use a level to ensure it is perfectly straight. Next, position the bottom track on the floor, aligning it precisely with the top track before fastening it down. Finally, carefully hang the sliding door panels onto the top track rollers, then engage the bottom guides for stability. After hanging the doors, make any necessary adjustments to the rollers to ensure the panels hang plumb and slide effortlessly. Check that the doors overlap correctly, typically by about 1 inch in the center, to prevent gaps. Install any handles or pulls according to the manufacturer's instructions. Finally, clean the tracks thoroughly to remove any debris, ensuring optimal and quiet door operation for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.